Ready to ditch the stockroom and dive into the world of print and mint in the UK? Today, we're cracking open Printify and showing you exactly how to launch your app-based e-commerce dream without holding a single item of inventory. First, you'll need to create a Printify account. Head over to Printify.com and sign up. It's free to get started. Once you're in, let's pick your product. Printify boasts a massive catalog, from shirts and hoodies to mugs and wall art. Think about your target audience and what resonates with UK consumers. Let's say we're going with a classic, a custom designed shirt. Now for the fun part, designing. You can upload your own artwork, create something new with Printify's built-in tools, or even use templates. Make sure your design is high resolution for a crisp, professional print. Remember to consider specific design trends or cultural references. Next, connect your Printify account to your e-commerce platform. Printify integrates with popular platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and WooCommerce. This connection automates the order fulfillment process. So when a customer in the UK buys your shirt, Printify handles the printing and shipping. Speaking of shipping, Printify partners with various print providers in the UK and internationally. This ensures your products are delivered quickly and cost-effectively to your UK customers. Be sure to research the different print providers to understand their shipping times and costs within the UK. Don't forget the boring but important stuff: UK regulations. Familiarize yourself with VAT requirements and any other legal obligations for selling goods in the UK. This is crucial for avoiding any headaches down the line. And there you have it. You're now equipped to use Printify for print and mint in the UK. Start creating, start selling, and watch your e-commerce business flourish.